Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Game Edge coming at you with a quick market status for Monday, August 15th. Oh, here's our general disclaimer page. Give this a read. When you're done, so let's move on. Here we have our tick US model. Friday, you can see we had a nice linear up day. Coming into the session, we lost the cumulative tick lost the moving average ribbon on Thursday. However, we saw a intraday reversal, reclaimed it, pushed higher. The difference in this reversal versus the one that we saw on Wednesday that failed on Thursday is this happened kind of a quarter of the way into the session. Historically, we've observed these are a bit better signals. So again, um, everything is constructive in terms of this model headed into Monday. Here we have the Take ARCX model, similar comments to what we just talked about. Nice linear update on Friday after a reversal in the morning. You can see here we have all signals firing. So again, still constructive here. Here we have our SPY Gamma dashboard from Friday morning. Let's see, we closed Thursday night right at 420, kind of line in the sand, gapped up and consolidated, pushed higher throughout the session. One thing to note is plus GEX did shift higher in the morning, which is something we called out that we wanted to look for. So this gave us a new fresh upside target. Just rounding things out here to the downside below 420. Negative GEX still sits at 400. Here we have the 5-minute chart, just kind of a different view of what we just talked about. You can see 420 line in the sand right now. You can kind of see the price interaction we've had there the last couple weeks. Here's recent price, 430 target to the upside. Then we have negative GEX here down at 400, but allowed us to happen to get down here. So still looking at this 430. If we get there, like we've been saying the entire time, we just want to see this plus GEX keep climbing higher, higher, and higher. Here is the intraday chart, just kind of showing the zoomed in picture of what we just looked at, a little bit of consolidation here in the morning. We saw a breakout, push higher, we maintained this +1 to +2 standard deviation, the fast lane, the entire session, so pretty easy trade to hold on to there. Lastly, on the SPY, this is just a daily chart we're looking at. So we've been talking about the importance of this 410, 411 region. We've been holding that. We've been pushing higher. We are continue to bump up against the top of this channel. Now we're running into anchored VWAP from the all-time highs. If this is significant or not, no idea. Just looking to see how price interacts with that. We could see a retrace to 410. That'd be completely normal and reasonable. Nothing in the structure would break. So again, important for any future trade you're looking to put on that the risk to reward still makes sense within your risk management process. With being the weekend, we're going to lastly hit on some industry ETFs. So here we are, fish pond map. Just looking real quick, we have 8 of 11 sectors in a positive cumulative gamma. You can see week over week improvements in 9 of 11 and week over week decline in 2 of 11. So again, very constructive week, not only in terms of price, but in terms of things we're seeing on under the hood. So going through each of those cumulative positive gamma charts real quick. XLE, again quickly, wing chart here on the left. This just shows the green wing, cumulative positive gamma greater than cumulative negative gamma. Makes sense. In terms of price levels, we're bumping up right against this +80. So again, risk reward here isn't super great. Like we just talked about with SPY, we want to see this plus GEX shift higher and higher, which kind of eases price to again shift higher as well. XLF, again, wing chart positive. The negative here is price is above plus GEX. Historically, when we've seen this and plus GEX has not shifted higher leading price, likely we could see a reversion to plus GEX here. So again, just important to see how that key level interacts here early in the week. XLI, again, wing chart, again, plus GEX is lower than price. So again, what we just talked about, we want to see kind of what this key level does early in the week. So XLK, very positive wing chart. Again, here the setup, we are at plus GEX of 148. However, we have a nice level building out overhead at 170. Important to see if we do get this shift higher, as that would be a great risk reward trade, kind of risking again against this level right here. So something to keep an eye on. Good looking chart though there. XLU again, price well above plus GEX. XLV, we did see price hold 0 gex positive trans. Target would be plus gex 135. Again, not a ton of room there though. We want to see this shift higher as well. XLY, kind of no man's land right here right now. So lastly, non-sector, we have XLB hit on real quick. I mean, this one continues just to print money for people in the room. If you want to go back and observe these charts, plus gex just continue to push higher and higher and higher. Price is followed right now. 90, good level to risk against with plus gex at 100. Lastly, just some announcements real quick. 8 o'clock Eastern time tonight, we have an open mic for all members. Over the last month or so, we've had a few members kind of start their own trade logs using their own system and kind of incorporating Game Edge methodology into it. Wanted to make you guys aware to this. These are embedded threads under the gold section of the server. And then lastly, we are going to try to do a open mic for the public coming up in the next couple of Sundays. If y'all that are not members are interested in this, feel free to comment, let us know that. As always, we would appreciate a like if you enjoyed this video. So that's all I got for you guys today, and good luck tomorrow. I'll talk to you tomorrow night.